Hi there, my name's Ben Wilson. I'm one of the ACCA's expert tutors and I specialise in auditing. In this video, I'm going to give you 3 top tips to help you to use the examiner's report more effectively. These tips will help you to score a couple of extra marks in the exam and could help to push you up to a pass. Now, wouldn't it be great to be able to speak directly to the AA examiner? What would you ask them? I'd have 2 questions. Firstly, what common errors do students make? Things that I can avoid doing in the exam. And I'd also want to know, is there anything that good students do that help them to pass the exam? Well, good news. Both of these questions are answered fully in the examiner's report. So here's my first tip. Read the examiner's report slowly and thoroughly and make notes as you go through it. I'd be making notes on those common errors and features of passing scripts too. And don't just do this for the most recent exam paper. You can go back over several sittings. Time for my second tip now. Now, ethics are commonly tested in section B of the exam paper, and you'll generally be asked to do 3 things in an ethics question. Firstly, identify an ethics issue. Secondly, to explain the implication of the issue. And thirdly, to recommend how to address the problem. Now here's the tip, and it comes straight from the examiner. Recommendations have to be a specific action point, something for the company to actually do. Your recommendations should be simple and practical. For example, rotating the audit partner. Now you don't need to write lots, it just needs to be a clear, specific action point. On to tip 3 now, and I've saved the best till last. Many students miss out on easy marks in the audit risk question because they don't follow the correct approach. So here's that approach. Firstly, you have to state the account that is affected by the audit issue. This seems so obvious, but many students don't do it and they miss out on an easy mark. Next, you have to say whether the audit risk leads to an under or an overstatement issue. And finally, link it to a financial statement assertion, something like completeness or valuation. Now that's the hardest bit. Only the best students do that 3rd stage. So here's the top tip. Follow that 3-step approach to audit risk questions and pick up all those marks. And make sure you always state an assertion, because that will single you out to be one of the better students. Thanks for watching this short recording, and if you found it useful, please share it with any other students who are sitting the AA exam.